Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we'll be talking about technical trends or technical levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. So now again, you can see uh, as you can see that there is a complete lack of trading volumes here, trading activity here. So the price is making very small higher highs, higher lows kind of formation. And look at the today's momentum. However, the price is slightly down. It is down by I think 2% or so. But one thing which looks interesting here, that the price is still holding up this support area, which is at 22,600. So again, if you look at this support area, and if the price holds up this support area and this level, you will see that the price will make a higher low and it will go again up, and this time might be the price will able to reach the resistance to which is at 25,800. So this is at a very crucial level, because after this support area of 22,600, there is a trend line as well. So you can see that there are two major supports for this particular cryptocurrency. So now we can just see that maybe if the price closes above then the support area, that will be a sign that yes, from here you might see that okay, the fall is completed, is done, and now from here you can see that the price will again go up. And if not, if the price closes below then the 22,600 level, you will see that the price will first take up a support at this trend line. Also, if you look at the volumes here, right, so you just why I'm not looking a big fall here, because there is a lack of participation. So if the buyers are less, so the sellers are also less, and because of the less sellers, the price is slightly moving downwards because of the sellers presence, but their presence is so less that they are not able to generate a good fall or a major fall from here. And that's the reason you can see that the volumes are also less. So what you can see, because of the less volumes, if you are if you are a buyer, if you have taken a position, so still you can't be very much worried. You don't need to be very much worried about it, because the price might not able to fall much looking at the current situation. And if the volume starts increasing, rising up, then we'll say. So again, this trend line will become a very important level. If the price closes below than this, we might able to see a reversal from here. And if not, if the price holds up this support area, the trend line area, you will see that the price will slowly go up. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is also showing you the same situation, where at one point of time, I think it's been around 4 or 5 days back, exactly it happened on 28th 29th of July till 31st of July, you can see the price was just hovering around at the resistance area of 1725, and exactly at that level we have this resistance as well. Now the price at least this time the price is not able to close above then this resistance area, and it wasn't able to trade or close above than this 100 EMA as well. So now what we need to see, let us let the price come to the support area, which is at 1510. So immediately the support could be 1510, and again we can take up a resistance at 1725. Now there is a probability that price might take up will come up to this 1510 level, and then from there you will see again the price will go back. Why? Because if the price comes to this 1510 level, you will see that still the price will be in an uptrend, and the price will make a higher low kind of formation, higher high, higher low kind of formation. So that is something not this time, maybe next time we might able to see that the price will come or close above that the resistance area. So this is for the Ethereum. And same thing, look at here, the volumes are, as of now it's declining, it's decreasing, so not much as of now. Looking at the situation, looking at the technical tools, not much selling is we can expect. So this is something, you can look for these two cryptocurrencies. Hope you are liking this content. Hope you are liking this video. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, notification bell icon को भी आप click कर सकते हैं. You can press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any future further notification related to the cryptocurrency. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.